My country people, netizens don't come again as they don't start to dey drag this Nollywood actor Tessy, popularly known as Vırus, over this recent song where he released. So many people frown at this music as they talk say, why you Vırus go talk say you came from the river 7th time. Say this music is a no for them. They no go stream, man. A lot of people though appreciated him and congratulated him, but the comment section was nothing to write home about because a lot of people were trolling him. Say ever since Junior Pope by and he just dey behave like person wey dey happy say Junior Pope bye. But before we continue, make we listen to the song where so many people criticize. But for me, anyway, shall make we listen to it.
Give me one jumbo, give me one bottle. Make I express my feeling, talk up my mind. Now bust up their mind, give them design. When they see me for street, they worship me like God. I'm coming from afar, I'm a mogacha. It's in the middle where the one bolasa. I don't care papa, only my mama. We are still they walk out to make out to smile.
My people, this now the music video where some people no like. I wonder why some people no like this music, cause one thing you cannot dispute is him being talented. Vırus is actually talented. According to his words in this song, he dey try talk say na only him them born and he no get papa. Say her mama na single mother where they try him best to raise him, and as he raise him, he dey try him best to be a better version of himself.
Nobody been there for me. I only know about you. My man a single one. She did bring me can meet up. I did strive for my money. From money to life for no. No put me for trouble. I go leave you daddy. No put me for trouble. I go leave you to what my head. I just want it. I just want it. No getting harder. I don't want it. I just want it. I just want it. No getting harder.
I talk him again. One thing you cannot take away is Vırus being talented. He is talented. Anyway, let's take out people's reaction. This one talk say the finest of Junior Pope no go past Tessy. Look how he's mocking JP on every video and pictures holding Fanta. That is not fair, my brother. Another person talk say, I'm glad you are giving your haters, those who are angry that you didn't buy with Junior Pope, more tears to shed. Keep soaring like the eagle. Be ahead, bro. This one a supporter of Vırus. He dey try praise him. Another person talk say, I just feel there is something this guy is not talking about. I don't really know, but there is something. At some point in his comment section, I was so dumbfounded. Another person talk say, make you no work again just because Junior Pope mad people everywhere. This one a supporter of Vırus. He dey try encourage him. Another person talk say, too much of everything is bad. I think he should drop this Fanta. It's becoming too childish. This one focus is on the Fanta logo. Another person talk say, congratulations for your life, my brother, but I won't be happy if you know anything concerning that man's spy, that Junior Pope buyness. And please stay off social media for now. You are making it look as if you are enjoying the pay from the deal. My people, so many reactions from different people. Hey God, what we go call this one? Tessy is actually one person that I've seen that survived an incident, and instead of being celebrated, people are in town trolling him. I beg, we understand say Junior Pope don't buy, but I don't think Vırus knows anything pertaining to that. He was also a victim, let's not forget that. I beg, make we free him. He's trying to survive. All this gra Fanta over thing is just him trying to retain and make use of the fame where he gather. I beg, make we free him, make we celebrate him instead of trolling him all the time. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I dey post obenge news for there as well. I beg, support me. Okay, now see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. You see your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Oh yeah, now bye.